Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a long time ago. Well, 4x5 black and white film, and isn't that great quality? Well, it's really nice area. This is Pacific Ocean side, east beach side of the island. Well, this is my subject today, and I have this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image. The reason why, well, I'm not going to use this pencil drawing type image today. But the reason why I have this pencil drawing type image each time recording this movie, I'm shooting with the iPhone. So I need to fix that focus and autofocus and auto exposure. So that's why I have this layer each time. Well, anyways, I have this image, and this is my subject today. I want to colorize this image. Well, I don't even know anything about, well, I know what the colors of the sky and skin tone and greens and stuff. But I don't know what they are wearing, the colors, and I can make any color I want to create an image. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna add layer and change blend mode to color. Then I'm gonna, just coloring. I'm gonna choose brush, airbrushing to medium blend. That's the starting point. Then I usually do skin tone first because we all know. But today maybe big area, sky blue. That's what I want to start with. Well, let's see. Nice blue sky. That's what I want to start from. Okay, deep blue, nice sky blue. Okay, I'm gonna choose eraser tool, same brush, medium blend, right? So I'm gonna just erase this area. That's trees. Well, that's about it. Okay, now I go trees. Okay, now branches and a little bit more brownish colors. Okay, now overall, I'm gonna do more details later. I just want to add colors, overall colors. Alright, now we see some greens. Now I go for skin tone. Let's see, nice suntan. Okay. Now what color shall I paint it on their swimsuits? Okay. Let me see overall colors. Okay, turn into color photograph little by little. Okay, now I am using the smudge tool, same brush texture. Alright, now about these boys' skin tone, maybe a little bit more warming up. Okay, now I want to add one more layer for different blend mode, just normal blend mode. Let's see, overall, real thing, but a little more reddish. You now see kind of reddish color to warming up overall image. Okay, use the eraser tool, just a touch here. Now I'm going to add different colors. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to add some this boy's pants. It's going to be a little more reddish. Okay, let me see overall image. Yeah, a little bit more warm up. Overall, I want to add some greens, more saturated green on here. Yeah, adding more saturated light greens gets more younger look, huh? That's nicer. Okay, add here too. Okay, now I want to add some more brownish reddish colors the shadow side. Make it more contrast. Okay, now I'm gonna smudge. Then again, I'm gonna add some reddish. Now I'm going to add blue to make it a little bit muddy look on shadow side. So it's going to make contrast of highlight side, younger image to shadow side, kind of muddy look. Now smudge. Okay, I'm gonna touch up some details. Alright, now almost done, pretty much. Well, start from this black and white. I add sky blue and trees green, then boys color. Then this is kind of a little bit cyan, kind of cool color, so I add blend Mori's normal color, warm up to reddish. This much, it's pretty much warm up. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Adding colors, highlight side and shadow side, make it kind of clear image on highlight side. Then shadow side goes kind of muddy look to make it some contrast of the colors. Well, then I'm going to try next time, tomorrow, with this pencil drawing type image, change to, well, color burn. Well, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna make something creative image, then make it some kind of creative, well, interesting illustration type image. Look at this overlay effect, pretty interesting, isn't it? Yeah, I'm looking forward to. Well, this is luminosity. This one is pretty cool. Overlay. Well, that's for next time. Just bring this one back to normal. Turn it off. Well, that's it. Well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. All right.